Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to be making green salsa chilaquiles. If you want my red salsa version, I will link that in the description below or somewhere through this video. But today my husband's going to have one of his favorite breakfasts. Okay, so this is the tale of two salsas. I have this one that I made yesterday, and I have this one that I made like a week ago. This one's really spicy, this one is not. I am going to mix these and make chilaquiles. These are going to be, I guess, green salsa or chilaquiles verdes, the green chilaquiles. Here I have some wonky 2-week-old corn tortillas. I'm going to chop these up, fry them up, and I have 2 large eggs that I will be adding on top of my chilaquiles. Okay, chilaquiles done. I'm going to add some shredded mozzarella cheese, my 2 sunny side up eggs. Nope, there we go. Let's do a little bit of my fresh avocado. I actually had this left over from yesterday. Just some slices. Here's some Cotija cheese. A lot of these toppings are just what you have on hand. It's what I've got today. And this is my husband's green chilaquiles breakfast. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.